Business intelligence versus competitive intelligence. What type of intelligence is better? What is the difference between business intelligence and competitive intelligence? This is an important question, especially if you are a business leader looking to gain a competitive edge in your industry. Business intelligence and competitive intelligence have benefits, but understanding the differences can give you the upper hand in making strategic decisions. In this article, we will explore the distinct characteristics of business intelligence and competitive intelligence, their benefits, and ultimately how they differ. Comparing business intelligence versus competitive intelligence. Business intelligence and competitive intelligence are two sides of the same coin regarding decision-making in the business world. Business intelligence is the process of gathering, analyzing, and interpreting data to inform decision makers and make better business decisions. This data can come from internal sources such as financial reports or external sources such as market research. On the other hand, competitive intelligence is all about understanding your competition, making decisions, and using strategies to gain a competitive advantage. It involves analyzing competitors' data, evaluating their current position in the market, and researching their target audience and customer retention rates. Business intelligence focuses mainly on internal data and is used to make decisions about the company's current state. Competitive intelligence, however, is focused on understanding the external environment. Business intelligence versus competitive intelligence. Business intelligence and competitive intelligence are two vital elements of data-driven decision-making in the corporate world. Both terms refer to gathering and analyzing data to understand better a company's position and prospects in its industry or market. Business intelligence focuses on the internal environment, such as processes, people, and tools, to look for ways to improve efficiency. Competitive intelligence looks at external factors, such as competitor analysis and external environment analysis, to gain insights into the competitive landscape. What is the importance of competitive intelligence in an organization? One of the essential tools for doing this is competitive intelligence. Competitive intelligence is a strategic process that involves gathering and analyzing information about your competitors to gain an advantage. By understanding your competitors' strategies and tactics, you can make informed decisions and develop effective business and marketing strategies to stay ahead of the competition. This helps them make more informed decisions about pricing strategy and product development, as well as product launch and customer retention initiatives. How do product marketing leaders influence competitive intelligence? Product marketing leaders drive competitive intelligence and market research efforts, and they lead the charge in understanding the competitive landscape, customer needs, and product positioning. By leveraging their deep knowledge of the product and market, product marketing leaders can influence competitive intelligence in several ways. What is business intelligence? Business intelligence, BI, collects and analyzes large amounts of data to make informed decisions and solve complex problems. This practice is used to improve the efficiency of a business, reduce costs, increase profits, and maintain a competitive edge in the market. By understanding the current position of their organization, decision makers can make more effective strategic decisions, while sales teams can identify new opportunities and target audiences. Business intelligence is an invaluable tool for companies looking to grow and improve. Business intelligence allows management to understand better the smaller systems that work together to keep the company running, and thus inform their choices. It also provides product teams with insights into which features customers like or dislike the most, helping them develop new products faster and test them more efficiently. What is competitive intelligence? Competitive intelligence is a powerful tool for businesses to gain an edge over their competitors. It involves a company collecting and analyzing its rivals' competitive landscape, market share, external environment, financial reports, and product development. This information can come from internal sources, like decision makers in the organization or sales teams, and external sources, like public records or market research. The goal of competitive intelligence is to use the data to develop strategies that outperform rivals. Benefits of using competitive intelligence. Competitive intelligence can be an invaluable tool for businesses looking to stay one step ahead in the ever-changing business environment. By studying the activities of competitors and other external factors, companies can gain insight into what strategies are effective and which may not work. It also helps a company to improve its product development, R&D, process by learning from other companies. Competitive marketing intelligence. Competitive marketing intelligence, CMI, is a powerful tool that can give companies an edge over their competitors. It is the collection, analysis, and interpretation of information about a company's competitors so that they can better understand how their products and services are performing and where they stand in the market. CMI helps companies identify their competitors' strengths and weaknesses, understand their pricing strategies, and anticipate their next moves. It also provides the following: insight into customer behavior and market trends, product development, marketing. CMI can inform decisions about product design, pricing models, distribution channels, advertising strategies, promotional campaigns, and more. By using CMI, companies can better understand the market environment and make better decisions, which will help them stay ahead of the competition. The main difference between business intelligence versus competitive intelligence. Business intelligence involves analyzing and leveraging internal data to improve a company's operations, while competitive intelligence focuses on external factors in the market. Business intelligence is focused on improving a company's internal systems through data analysis. Competitive intelligence takes this concept even further by attempting to understand and anticipate competitors' strategies in the market. It seeks to identify trends in the industry and gain insight into what competitors are doing to gain an advantage over them. The benefits of business intelligence and competitive intelligence. Business intelligence helps managers and executives make better decisions based on data-driven insights into the company's performance. This information can inform product development, resource allocation, and other strategic decisions. Competitive intelligence, on the other hand, helps businesses understand their competitors' strategies and find ways to gain a competitive edge. It provides insights into the competitive landscape and helps inform strategic decisions such as which markets to target or how to differentiate from competitors. By leveraging these two processes together, companies can make data-driven decisions that will help them gain a competitive advantage in the market. Which industries rely on competitive intelligence and why? Using competitive intelligence helps organizations make informed decisions about their products and services. For example, if a company receives feedback from customers or finds relevant social media posts, the company can change the product to improve its reputation of the product. Moreover, competitive intelligence can help an organization improve its marketing campaigns, make content more relevant for target audiences, or create personalized customer experiences. Combining business intelligence and competitive intelligence is a powerful tool for any organization looking to gain a competitive edge in the marketplace. By using internal and external data-driven insights, companies can make informed decisions that will increase market share, better performance, and greater customer loyalty. What is people centricity? People centricity means designing products, services, experiences, and processes to customers' needs and wants. People-centric companies understand their customers better than their competitors and use that knowledge to create unique experiences and value. People centricity is one of the 4 dimensions of customer centricity, and it shows the quality of a company's customer service and the strength of its relationship with them. People centricity is one of the 4 customer centricity dimensions, including process centricity, experience centricity, and thing centricity, and the foundations of a great customer experience. Nike takes excellent care of its employees, recognizing that they're more likely to deliver outstanding service and create exceptional products if they're happy at work. It has a program called Nike Cool for Good that gives employees paid professional development time to help communities while working on projects that meet their professional needs. People centricity in action. When designing an experience for a customer, executives should ask 2 questions: what do we do? In both cases, the answers should reflect the company's people-centric philosophy. Customer centricity is a vital part of any good experience, but a company should also show that it's people-centered if it wants customers to come back again and again. Conclusion. Business intelligence and competitive intelligence are both essential tools for staying ahead of the competition in today's dynamic business environment. The most effective companies use both to their fullest potential, using both competitive intelligence and business intelligence data to make better decisions and build a more successful business. By using both forms of market research, companies can gain valuable insights into their competitors' strategies, develop effective marketing campaigns, and identify opportunities in the market.